Okay, this is going to be a quick video for my students, some of whom seem to have a few problems in using the calculator to calculate the frequency of this astable LED flashing circuit. So the formula that we're going to use is F, which is the frequency, equals 1.44 over, and then in brackets, R1 plus 2 lots of R2, close the brackets, and then multiply that times this capacitor value. Okay, now just in case you're wondering why we only use R1, resistor 1 once, but resistor 2 twice, that's because all the timing is affected by the charging and discharging of this capacitor, and that capacitor charges both through R1 and R2, but when it discharges through pin 7 it only goes through R2. So R2 is used twice, R1 is used once. But you don't really have to think about that too much, you can just do the calculations if you want. Okay, so let's plug these values then into our calculator and see what frequency we have. So I'm going to first of all start with 1.44 over, so many of you have got this calculator in school, so hopefully it's going to look familiar, over, and then open the bracket and R1, which is 1k, so I will just type 1000, plus 2 times R2, which is 82,000, and then I'll close the bracket, and I want to multiply it by the capacitor value, which is 10 microfarads. This is where it gets a little bit more complicated, so you're going to do times 10, but then it's microfarads, so it's going to be times 10 to the minus 6. Now you might, if you're maybe if maths is not your thing, you might find that a little bit problematic, but you do need to review why 10 times 10 to the minus 6 is 10 milliamps, and I think that's going to be probably quite important for your GCSE maths as well. Then we press equals, and it gives us an answer of 0.87. So the frequency is equal to 0.87 Hertz, which is actually not that far off 1 Hertz, which would mean it would be going on and off once every 1 second. So get practicing on your calculators, you should be able to do it.